Rogers Ignite TV is the company's flagship IPTV service in Canada, delivering TV content via internet networks. It's important to note that Rogers does not own Xfinity. Instead, Ignite TV offers a comprehensive alternative to traditional cable. Key features include access to over 500 live and on-demand channels, unlimited cloud DVR storage, and multi-device streaming on up to 5 devices. Packages range from Ignite TV Lite with 60-plus channels at CAD $79 per month to Ignite TV Premium with 500-plus channels and 4K support at CAD $149 per month. Add-ons like sports and movie packages are also available. Rogers Ignite TV features a voice remote with Alexa integration for easy searching and navigation. The Smart Remote app is available for iOS and Android devices, providing virtual controls and touch navigation. The Rogers Ignite app offers channel guides, parental controls, and offline downloads for select content. Key future trends include hybrid streaming that blends traditional TV with over-the-top services. AI-powered personalization provides tailored recommendations based on viewing habits. Rogers will leverage 5G for low-latency streaming, enabling faster and more reliable viewing. By 2030, Rogers aims for 2 million subscribers, with IPTV revenue projected to grow significantly.